Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 9th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the pound yen is starting to drift down a little bit because my monthly, weekly, and daily time frames are in an uptrend, I am definitely looking at anything I see to the downside as likely just a pullback. To start with, I would put my Fibonacci retracement from here to here because this pullback potentially could just be a pullback to this last wave up and it could just continue up like that. But if it does decide to make a much larger pullback and it goes down and breaks this low, then I would move my Fibonacci retracement all the way from here to here. I would definitely still be expecting a pullback even if that is what happens. It's just the difference is they would make a pullback to the whole series of higher highs, higher lows, instead of potentially just making a pullback to the last wave, like I'm showing here, the last wave up. So just keep in mind that the higher time frames are definitely all still in uptrends. So anything you see to the downside is very likely just a correction. The question is it a pullback to the last wave, or is it a pullback to the whole series of higher highs, higher lows? So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.